declaration, and assignment. In C++, when you declare a variable, you need to tell the computer what type it is. If it is just a single character, you use char. If it is a bunch of characters, basically a word or sentence, you use string. Now, when you give that variable a value, there is a little tree. Single quotes for char, double quotes for string. In Python, it's much simpler. You don't have to write the type at all. Python figures it out for you. And whether you use single quotes or double quotes, both works the same way. Even a single letter is still treated as a string. Multiline strings. In C++, there are two simple ways to write strings across multiple lines. First, you can just close the double quotes, start a new line, and open double quotes again. Second, you can put the letter R in front of the quotes to make raw string literal. In Python, it's even easier. You can use 3 single quotes or 3 double quotes. Strings are arrays. In Python, you can grab any character from a string just by using square brackets. And if you need more than one character, maybe everything after a certain position, everything before it, or even just a small slice in the middle, Python make super easy with slicing. In C++, pretty much the same idea for a single character. You still use square brackets, but what you get back is a char. And if you want a whole section of the string, there's a substring function where you give it a starting position and how many characters you want. Modify string uppercase. In Python, done easily with the upper method. In C++, each character must be converted using the toUpper function. Lowercase, similar to uppercase but using lower in Python and toLower for each character in C++. Remove whitespace. In Python, easily done with the strip method. In C++, there is no built-in method, so we can write a custom trim function. Replace string. In Python, done with the replace method. In C++, replacement must be implemented manually or with the help of algorithms, such as find and replace from string. Split string. Python done with the split method. C++ achieved by manually splitting into a vector string using delimiters. Concatenation. In both language, toString can be joined using the plus operator. String format. Python uses fstring for formatting. C++ uses the format function for format. Input string length. Python input to read and len to get the length. C++ get line to read and length or size to get the length. Checking and loop. Python check if a substring exists using the in keyword and loop with for. Also, find can be used. C++ check with a loop or use the find function. Mutable and immutable. Python strings are immutable, cannot be modified in place. C++ strings are mutable, can be modified. In conclusion, Python is very simple with straightforward helper functions, while C++ is more complex and some of its functions are harder to work with. Wanna uncover more coding secrets? Subscribe and join the journey.